Bintara PK tahun anggaran 2024 Panda Makassar secara resmi saya nyatakan dibuka.
Don't know what you're expecting of me, but under the pressure of walking in your shoes.